Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will click here. After that, in this page of App Info, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Here. Then we go to click on Storage. After that, we click Clear Cache, and in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.